sa loob ng 10 minuto, dadalhin namin kayo sa isa sa mga pinakamagandang puntahan dito po sa Pilipinas. Ito ang 100 Island sa may Alaminos. Dito rin sa video na to guys, papakita po namin sa inyo ang aming tour from San Fernando, Pampanga to Alaminos. And syempre, kung saan tayo nagstay. Dito yan sa may The First Islatel Hotel. Samahan niyo po kami, for sure mag-enjoy po kayo. Let's go! And we have arrived. How are you, Mama?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Yes, so time natin guys
I'm
is...
excited because it was a long trip. I slept many times and I get to start.
You slept many times, huh? So all the way from San Fernando, Pampanga, umalis tayo doon guys around 7:30 na, no? Almost 8 o'clock. And now it's 11:43 a.m. It's about time. So let's go to the lobby. Look at that.
Hi, wow.
Hello. Good afternoon. Hello po. Hello po. Hello po.
Hi.
Yes, ma'am. Hello po.
Hello.
Look at this. We got a welcome. Yan na. We're in Pampanga.
Where?
Anyways.
Okay.
Ito po yung key card tapos yung wifi mo.
Okay.
Meron din po kaming happy hour na yung pwede lang free drinks po, cocktail drinks around 3 p.m. to 5 p.m.
3 p.m. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
Your room is located at the second floor.
So, and guys, ito yung lobby.
Guys,
And then, sakay tayo ng
Lumay
elevator
door?
nila.
Amani.
Tama yung likod mo.
Sa likod.
Ay, sorry.
Button. 2. Baby.
Oh, there! We're flying!
Are we flying?
Yes!
Yeah.
Oh, ayun na. Nakabitin tayo.
We're here.
Look for 224.
224.
Ayun, cute na mong boat.
May boat?
Ayun na.
Ay, oo.
Ayun.
Para si Daddy John.
Para mag-enjoy tayo dito.
Oo.
Malaki yung pool, no?
Enjoy ko talaga kasi gagawin ko naman yung boat.
Open the room.
Dad.
Galing, alam na niya. And then you put the key here. Ooh. Alright. Room tour. Room tour.
What?
Wow, we got a big room. Guys, finally after more than 4 hours, yun, nakarating kami dito. And we have 2 beds. Yung mga bed size natin ay mga queen size sila. So it can fit comfortably yung 2 tao. So we're gonna settle down and tingnan natin guys kung anong gagawin natin for the rest of the day. So time check natin is 3:10. And ikot tayo ngayon sa ating hotel accommodation. We wanna show you guys kung ano ba yung makikita nyo dito in case you choose to stay here sa The First Islatel. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Anong name mo, ma'am?
Fatima po.
Ma'am Fatima. Hi. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa inyong, what do you call this?
The event hall po.
Okay. May event? May event po ba ngayon?
Meron po yata ngayon.
Ngayon. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Makikikain po kami mamaya sa kanila. Ilan po yung nito capacity niya?
This is for 100
100 packs. Okay.
Actually, ano ko lang din po dito. Kaka-hire ko lang.
Oh, kailan lang?
4 days pa lang po.
Really? Previous work mo saan, ma'am?
Sa Pampanga po talaga.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Ayaw po, taga Pampanga po.
Opo. Saan sa Pampanga?
Sa Clark Angeles po.
Anong pangalan ng establishment? Alright, so kasama natin si Ma'am Fatima.
Hello.
Na 4 days pa lang dito. Hindi ko na sasabihin yun doon. Okay, so doon sa likod natin, yung dinaanan natin, yun yung kanilang function hall. You call it Feno.
Dito naman po yung L poolside. Parang 50 packs po yung pwede niyang ma-accommodate po. For event din po siya.
So this one, parang yung...
Eto po,
yung
yung
side.
side po na yan.
Mm-hmm.
L poolside po.
Anong ginagawa sa taas?
Yung sa taas po, pwede din po yung mga billiards. Tapos meron din pong gym.
Oh, so recreation at saka ano
Yes.
din,
Tapos-
fitness. So guys, ito yun. Ito yung basketball area nila. Ito yung pinaka last part sa likod na ng hotel natin. Basketball tayo ng gabi.
Tapos dito din po yung free cocktail. 3 to 5.
So pwede ba natin ma-avail yan? So pwede kayong maglaro ng billiards dito. They also have drinks, soft drinks and liquor. And then every 3 p.m. Onwards, so happy hour na yung tinatawag nila. So meron po kayong complimentary ba yun or hindi naman? Complimentary? Wow! Okay, so we're gonna 3:20 na. Okay, let's try it. Yes po, we'll try it.
Welcome drinks. Ready for sale.
Luisito. Hey bro.
Went you to my school.
Yeah.
You wanna come in?
Yeah.
Okay, manood doon eh.
Welcome to my vlog, brother, sister.
Hi!
So, sister.
Nandiyan na ba? Ay, gusto pa. Magpapaka. Wala nang lugar.
Bye bro. Time check tayo guys. It's around 7:30 a.m. And dumating na yung breakfast natin. Breakfast is served. So ayun guys, magbe-breakfast lang kami and then
The far out.
we are going to the beach today. So tara, let's go. Oh wow.
Dito daw tayo mga.
Hey doggy. Grabe, ang ganda. Parang ano din siya, parang white to brown sand, ganun. Almost white. Ganda guys.
Ito naman yan.
May mga kabanas na sila dito guys. Good for mga day tour pa lang. Pero right now, ito pong lugar na to, available siya para sa mga guest ng the First Islatel. You can visit this one since yung pong hotel natin is not directly beachfront sa 100 Islands. Ito naman property na to sa kanila. So it's an added amenity po that you can stay. So magpapabook lang po kayo dun sa ano natin, dun sa front desk natin. And yeah, you can visit this place, you can enjoy this place.
I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about, so we can dine and spend up all our nose. wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise a toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming, rich people dreaming, rich people dreaming, rich people dreaming. Might be the gin that's gone to my head.
Remembrance.
Game. Kanya-kanyang post tayo.
Luis, show your muscle. I became strong. Dito na tayo mag-end. Dito na tayo magpapaalam. Medyo mahaba na yung vlog natin na to. So, thank you so much po for being with us in this video. Thank you so much. The first Islatel. If you are going to Alaminos, Pangasinan, and you're looking for a place to stay, it's a recommended place. We're gonna include all the information, all the details that you need to know dito po sa post na to. Oy, grabe! Baby, where's your... Ayun. Yung chinelas niya. Ayun. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Say bye, guys. Where's my Luis? Isa, say goodbye. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Peace out. Bye-bye.
People dreaming.